you're looking to add fine detail to plastic, try using this scribing tool from Squadron Products. Among its many uses are adding panel lines and mortar lines to plastic. Now here's a real-world example of how this tool works. I had to put a plain styrene patch on this building here, kind of between the garage door and the downspout. And then I used the scribing tool, following the manufacturer's lines, to pull that detail through onto the plain styrene. I made the horizontal and vertical lines, blending it in almost seamlessly. Now let me show you how this tool works using a piece of 40,000 styrene and a metal straight edge. Now I've got the straight edge hooked on a piece of styrene. Then I'm just going to put the tool in, and put that hook right down. Then we're just going to pull through the styrene. Now I find it best to work in light passes. So this is what one pass looks like here. You can see that you can do a fairly light panel line here. Now when I was doing the mortar lines, I had to make multiple passes. So I'm going to start a new line here. Where I go in. 1, 2. One more here. You can kind of get an idea of how the depth looks. So here you can see the difference between 1 pass and 4 passes with the scribing tool. The back of a number 11 blade has been a popular method for adding detail to plastic for many years, but for more consistent results, try using a scribing tool.